We're going to be attending the Festival of Sustainable Homes, held at the National Self-Build and Renovation Centre in Swindon.
This is an excellent opportunity to start thinking about your self-build project and considering the next steps for building that sustainable low-energy home or retrofitting your existing home.
Whether you're hearing about solar panels, heat pumps or electric vehicles, there's so much technology available to help you decarbonise at the moment. But where do you get started and how do all these systems fit together? Join me to hear how we can support you through your whole journey, making your home greener and your bills lower.
Come and hear how we delivered Susanna and John's self-build See the House project, the award-winning Build It Awards 2023. As I usually say, if you can draw it, we can build it. Delivering energy-efficient timber frame built in our factory-controlled conditions, which guarantees quality and design performance.
I'm going to be doing a presentation on heat pump ventilation, which combines heat recovery ventilation with space heating, cooling and hot water, all in one very energy efficient system.
Why not come and join us and learn how you can reuse free rainwater inside and outside your property, saving you money and helping the environment. We can't wait to tell you about our innovative products that we manufacture here in the UK and how they can help you in your home building journey. Come and join us at the presentation that we'll be presenting during the show.
I'll be giving a talk on sustainable design principles. This will take place in the Build It Theatre on Friday of the show, and I will also be taking place in a battle of building systems, so you can start to understand what your options are in terms of choosing the right building system for your self-build.
We're really looking forward to being part of the Festival of Sustainable Homes at the NSBRC on the 17th and 18th of May.
I'll be presenting a masterclass on efficient low temperature heating for your home with underfloor heating and heat pumps.
And we look forward to meeting you there.
I'm here at the National Self-Build Centre to talk to you about a presentation that we're running later on this month at the Festival of Sustainable Homes. It's a presentation aimed just at self-builders to look at the process, the pitfalls, common errors, tips, tricks and an opportunity to discuss your application with me and one of the team for about 20 minutes afterwards. So come along and take part. Look forward to seeing you there.
So my question to you is, if you're making your home really well insulated and airtight, do you actually need a formal heating system? Or could you utilise the vanes of a ventilation system, the ductwork, to provide the basis of your heating solution? My presentation is going to cover why you need ventilation, how heat pump ventilation works, and the sort of things that you need to consider with regards to the design of your building fabric.
You'll be able to hear and talk to Suzanne and John and ask questions and hear how we together as a team delivered the self-build dream.
Join us at the Festival of Sustainable Homes. Come listen to our talk and come visit AC Architects at stand 63 in Trade Village stand for a VR demo or a free consultation.
We know as individuals and as business owners, you are environmentally conscientious. That's why you're coming to the Festival of Sustainable Homes. My commercial will be there too. Join us and find out more about the new all-electric Morris JE van.